What's up, guys? Adding another ornament to the tree, I actually designed this grass Minecraft block, and it's removable, so the lid is detachable. It's really cool. Not going to detach it in this video, but maybe in another one. I designed this in Fusion 360, and it was actually very tedious to get all these blocks, but to be honest, I just looked at a Google image and tried to replicate that with the tiny boxes to make it look more pixelated. I don't think I'm going to end up listing this version on our Etsy shop, Daisylite Creations, but maybe I will try printing this out using the resin printer because it will look really cool when it's translucent, like our snowflake ornament that's going to be listed on Daisylite Creations Etsy and yourmagine.com. So this is super cool for any Minecraft lovers, kids and adults alike, and you can even store candy or even money and have the kids or whoever your recipient is open it, and it'll be super cool. And it's like really tight, so they will have to loosen it up a bit to get it off, but it's a really cool, fun ornament. All right, see you guys in the next video.